We also think you're very exotic.
What?
You look like Johnny Bravo.
Johnny. No. A bootleg Bobby Deol's the way to
Thought I was
go.
going to say that.
That's
Can you
the only
do a
thing.
step for us?
Always. Or that one.
आज हमारे साथ है Bobby Deol.
You do everything fancy. You don't go to school, you went to school. You're not a film reviewer, a critique. Like,
अरे डांस करता था, कौन सा डांस करता था यार?
वो भी बड़ा fancy है.
कितने साल में?
I started dancing when I was in 5th grade.
तो
जिस उम्र में लड़के जिज कर रहे थे तुम जैज कर रहे थे.
with pom poms.
Is this the part where I get serious, or I go on the train that you're on?
Is serious.
Okay.
Come on.
I
Why
keep
do you think
forgetting,
we're-
It's a serious podcast.
That's a good closer.
And 2 cups.
Welcome to
Two
Girls
Girls
and Two Cups. Why don't you ever say cups?
Because I can't match your
So guys, आज भी हम अकेले नहीं हैं. Are you okay?
Let's go.
आज हमारे साथ है एक ऐसे शख्सियत, एक ऐसे यंग लड़के, एक ऐसा यंग लड़का. आज हमारे साथ है एक ऐसा यंग लड़का जो कभी कभी हफ्ते में 7 बार और कभी कभी दिन में 4-5 बार फिल्में देखते हैं.
बेसिकली इन्होंने फिल्मों को व्यू किया और फिर रिव्यू करते करते सी व्यू अपार्टमेंट खरीद लिया.
जी हाँ.
वाह.
और इसके अलावा
ये डांस कोलैब्स भी करते हैं
रैंडमली
मतलब
फिल्में रिव्यू करते हैं फिर डांस कोलैब्स करते हैं. तो बेसिकली ये कभी कभी क्रिटिक कभी कभी ऋतिक है.
Please welcome Anmol Jambal, also known as Tried and Refused Productions, also
Yes.
Jammy Pants.
Jammy Pants.
एक second, Jammy Pants is what I have right now.
You,
Yeah, because even me, I'm also on my period. Yeah.
Jammy Pants are pants which your pants when you're on your periods are jammy pants.
yep.
But
It works for
yeah.
him, na? Because you look like you're on your period when
Yep.
you do your reviews.
Especially, right?
Are you?
Me?
Yeah.
I think this will be like a
Tough question.
tough question.
I know.
I know.
Very socially charged. Huh?
But I just want to say that men also have their period. Not in
Oh.
the same sense, but they have that time of the month for sure.
Damn, I think I'm going through it right now.
Right now,
There's too much pressure here.
why there is pressure?
You guys are quick. Improv. I haven't done many yes and workshops. तो
Okay,
थोड़ा टाइम
okay.
लगेगा.
Okay.
चल आज इसके साथ yes and game ही खेल लेते हैं. End में. फिर
तुम्हें
उसके
पता है yes and क्या है?
बाद- Of course.
क्या है?
जब विराट बोलता है let's
एक्टर बुलाती है अपने आप को. इम्प्रोव का रूल है yes and. Oh my God, guys! No wonder she's not getting any work.
I have lots of work. I don't have dates.
This is the running joke on this podcast, man. No
Yes,
work.
she has no work.
But I have work. I just don't have dates.
Okay.
And she blames it on, first she blamed it on pregnancy, then she blamed it on her baby, then the fact that she's now going through postpartum.
I'm going to blame so many things on my baby now.
Yeah, she's doing that. So yeah, basically हमने obviously establish कर दिया है जैमी कि आप रिव्यूज करते हैं
हाँ जी,
फिल्मों की.
हाँ जी.
जो मतलब जो फिल्में बन चुके हैं उसको आप देखकर रिव्यू करके उस पे एक दूसरा ऑलमोस्ट फिल्म बनाते हैं कि लोगों को ये फिल्म क्यों नहीं देखना चाहिए. ऐसा ही कुछ करते हो.
Most of the time, sadly.
जी. Mostly you hate the
No,
films. that
that's
you
just
review.
equated to the quality of films.
Sorry,
Believe me.
हिंदी?
हिंदी मतलब जैसे पिक्चरें आजकल बन रही हैं.
हाँ जी.
हाँ.
हाँ, सही बात है.
He just went on his period again. Suddenly he goes into his
Suddenly
period.
it
I
moves
get
down.
it. I relate.
Sadly, content ही ऐसा है कि वीडियोस भी नेगेटिव ही लगते हैं और लगता है मैं PMS कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ, क्योंकि फिल्में ऐसे बन रही है, ये आपका मानना है.
मानना है.
हाँ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप हर चीज में जैसे जो हर अपने लाइफ में भी ये स्पिल हो रहा है अभी आपका रिव्यू.
अच्छा.
जैसे उस दिन वो मुझे बोल रहा था द कॉन्सेप्ट वाज गुड बट द पेसिंग वाज स्लो एंड द इवेंचुअल क्लाइमैक्स वाज आल्सो अनसैटिस्फैक्टरी. सो आई वाज लाइक काम डाउन यार, वो उसकी मसाज वाली थी यार. मतलब क्या बात कर रहा है यार कि मतलब यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग अ लिटिल टू मच फ्रॉम योर थाई मसाज लेडी.
but ऐसे बैड क्लाइमैक्स वाले रिव्यूज हम भी देते हैं अपने हस्बैंड्स को.
नहीं, ये मेरे हस्बैंड को, मैं उसके.
That's true.
How do you feel now that you're part of this?
No, it's pretty normal actually.
Yeah, it's fine, right?
ऐसे things people do for pleasure,
हाँ
you
जी.
made a career out of it.
बिल्कुल.
हाँ?
हाँ.
And आगे का
What
joke
is that? Oh, I thought there was a punchline there.
there is wait. So then आप pleasure के लिए क्या करते हो?
Oh,
Mechanical engineering.
oh, nice, good one,
Nice,
good one.
na?
That
Nice,
was
nice,
good one.
nice.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
But नहीं, honestly बताइए
Honestly,
pleasure
yeah.
apart from those things in the night and all, like watching
This is
films
I sometimes want to ask: is this the part where I get serious, or I go on the train
Everything
that you're on?
is serious.
Okay,
right?
okay, okay.
Come on.
I
Why
keep
do
on
you think
forgetting.
we're-
Sorry,
It's a
sorry.
serious
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
podcast.
For pleasure, then I do pitch meetings. Yeah, just across the road.
For
from here.
pleasure.
For pleasure.
You do pitch
and get
meetings.
rejected multiple times.
just across the road you go and meet people.
Go and meet people.
And pitch.
What do you pitch?
And then get offered things
get
that are not monetary driven, and just respectfully say no.
Interesting.
That's why I do a back and forth between Delhi and Bombay. I get scarred so many times over here, so I just go back
Are
to
you from Delhi?
Yes,
कहाँ से है तू दिल्ली से?
Noida.
Oh. Maybe
But Delhi schooling till 7th, then went to boarding school.
First you went to Doon school, right?
No,
in
I went to
Dehradun.
modern school,
Dehradun.
Barakhamba first,
Okay,
and
Barakhamba.
then Doon school.
Then Doon. Then you went to Schloss College in
No,
Germany.
I went to
What
Germany.
the hell
yes.
is that? Can you please pronounce it?
Schloss Zalem. It's a small town about, I think, 4 hours from Interlaken, Switzerland.
I stopped
Interlaken.
hearing you at Schloss.
Schloss Zalem. Zalem is the name of the place.
Salim.
Zalim.
yeah.
Zalim. Nice.
Yeah, yeah.
Zalim.
Yeah.
तो मतलब आप सब कुछ
But
fancy
that was
करते
for
हो.
2 months for an exchange program.
अच्छा आपको
And they
exchange.
thought I was very exotic because it was actually an old town of Nazis. So they were like, fuck, what is this brown kid doing over here?
But we also think you're very exotic.
Yeah. What?
You
And
look like Johnny Bravo.
Johnny, no. A bootleg Bobby Deol's the way to
Thought I was
go.
gonna say that.
That's
Can
the
you do
only
that
thing.
step for us?
Always. Or that one.
आज हमारे साथ है Bobby Deol.
Yes. No, I actually,
जीवन में जाने जाना.
I genuinely think I can do well as a flashback for Animal 2 when they do like a Bobby Deol flashback. Hopefully, no?
I see it.
they
I
will
see
take
it.
all your jobs.
You think that
see it.
film needs a prequel or a sequel?
It will happen no matter what you think.
What do you think about Animal?
I love Animal. I love Sandeep Reddy Wanga. I would do the
You would
role.
Do what?
Who? What?
I would do anything.
You're touching Sandeep Reddy Wanga. This is going to get clipped and then this show is done.
He's so scared.
But I
for
said
us.
I love Sandeep. Reddy.
Good.
I also
That's
love.
how it should be.
I'm ready to wanga with Reddy Wanga.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what I was trying to say is कि you do everything fancy, right?
Huh?
So you're like from school. You didn't go
I'm
to
from
school.
Hansraj College.
Yeah,
That should
Dilli
be the
wala
thing.
Hansraj.
Hansraj to school. You didn't go to school.
Zalim.
You didn't go to school. You went to school. You're not a film reviewer, a critique. Like,
What the hell?
you're like fancy and like your English. English कहाँ से सीखी आपने?
वही school में ही.
School में?
Yeah, you know, I sometimes think that probably the quality is reflective of the general public. Ghar pe, I get trolled for not speaking well because I think both my elder brother and my mother are English literature college graduates.
क्योंकि
That's why.
अभी जो उसने बोला quality is reflective ऐसे आप बात ही नहीं करते
मैं मेरे ऊपर से गया मैंने सिर्फ
reflective तो हम word मैंने last time जब कब use किया मैंने reflective
क्वालिटी रिफ्लेक्टिव तो कभी भी नहीं यूज किया होगा टुगेदर लाइक दैट्स जस्ट नॉट अ
That's
कॉम्बिनेशन
amazing, huh?
I think we should also speak like this. So tell me, you review films और इतनी
हाँ जी।
अच्छी फिल्में बन रही हैं, इतनी अच्छी फिल्में बन रही हैं, तो what did you do? कौन से डॉक्टर के पास गए after you had nadanitis?
Nahi, I genuinely feel subscriber base. Nahi, I heard it also. Subscriber base genuinely thinks I need therapy because the mood is getting worse and the films are not getting better.
Yeah, and nobody is listening to critics.
No one is listening, and I don't think anything will change. और एक glimmer of hope होता है एक weekend में और फिर बाकी सब crap ही होता है.
That's true.
तो फिर
वो glimmer of hope आप
पर वो glimmer of hope से कुछ change नहीं होता pattern. वो वैसे ही रहता है. ओ यार ये तो एक बार ऐसे release हो गई.
Is there a way to change this?
I mean, we were just talking about Animal. That's one of the biggest box office hits. So if they're going to just try to emulate the same thing, so
है ना?
nothing's really
अभी
going to
सारी
change.
angry films बनेगी.
Angry films, आप वो देख लो सारे hero are blood soaked with a knife and a
And
over there. This.
Nice.
yeah,
So
they all have like testosterone
Bus,
max
bus.
and but you know what I feel like the recent Himesh Reshammiya film that was very self-aware even
No,
though
I think
even though
But the name was badass Ravi Kumar.
I think they could have done even more of like an inside joke and more self-aware.
Definitely.
I think they didn't go full on.
they
with
didn't
it.
go all
Did you
out.
review that film?
Yeah, of course. peak brain rot.
But I have to say, I prefer that film over a lot of other films.
Yeah, bro,
Because
I-
at least they were self-aware.
But like, look at, yes, I think last week Jat came and they've already announced Jat 2. It's literally called Jat 2. Just saying. Anyway. Self-awareness की बात कर रहे हो आप तो
It's amazing. It's amazing. I think our industry is just maybe
you're
it
missing
needs
out.
this little. I think we're going back to the 90s, right? Don't you miss the 90s?
I don't think we miss the 90s also. They were pretty terrible also.
That's
You
true.
should see some Rani
क्या
Mukherjee
बात कर
movies.
रहा है
But
यार?
at least if we're going back to the
तेरा
90s,
hairstyle तो 96 पे
वो
inspired है.
रख लो.
हाँ,
वो
least-
अक्षय कुमार का मलिट मैं पूरे जमाने रखूंगा
1
पर
second.
But
Don't worry.
please really tell me that did you become a critic because you were that alone and you just had so much time and there was no dating life and zero girlfriend? You're like, film ही देख लेते हैं.
yeah.
Second, zero girlfriend, you are assuming.
All of that.
Hmm.
Serious answer is that I was dancing and pay was shit, and then I was experimenting with social media, and I just saw old people review movies, and I thought there should be some young voice, and then I started reviewing movies, and people saw it. Why
You're
not?
age shaming KRK. I think KRK does
Exactly.
really good reviews.
That guy's bro. He's been doing it for 15 years.
It's amazing.
And it's working.
I mean, barely.
Such nuanced feedback on everything.
But his best review is इस movie की story. Story. That's his best meme. Best meme.
हाँ पर इस वक्त रिव्यूज ऐसे ही होंगे ना जिस तरह की फिल्में बन रही है रिव्यूज
ऐसी फिल्में बन रही है जो you're like this story.
But
I mean,
now what I've seen is everyone's obsessed with numbers and how the movie is doing, and all of them equated to then the quality of the movie. So if it's a very indie film also ना, they'll be like अरे कोई picture देखने नहीं गया बकवास ही होगी.
लेकिन एक सेकंड इसने डांस बताया यार. ये डांस करता था. कौन सा डांस करता था यार?
वो भी बड़ा fancy है. Jazz and contemporary.
कितने साल में?
I started dancing when I was in 5th grade. Started working when I was in 10th probably. Then
अब बोलो.
then I was choreographing in Delhi only for about 5-6
स्टैंडर्ड
years.
से जैज कर रहे हो तो
Yeah, I was doing grease lightning with pom-poms in Siri Fort Auditorium.
So
जिस उम्र में लड़के जिज कर रहे थे तुम जैज कर रहे थे
with pom poms.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
That's going to be...
मेरे इंग्लिश लिटरेचर वाली फैमिली
No, this is for Patreon. Patreon. This joke.
माने
Paywall के बाद ये देख सकते हो.
उसको भी नहीं
फिर
पता.
नहीं देख सकते. You guys should have a Patreon.
First we
Paywall
learn
के
how
लिए-
to spell it then
Yes.
Please tell me
What is it? PA?
Treon.
PA?
You just pay some money to watch the episode.
like only fans
Yeah.
and by the way guys you'll keep asking what is TGTC it's two girls two cups
Who's asking?
people ask
Asking.
I say hey I need someone for something TGTC what
But
is
why are you
TGTC?
blaming the audience? Our production house only doesn't know our name. They call
Yeah.
it Two Cups, Two Girls.
That's true because they don't know the reference whoever knows the reference knows
You know
why
the
this is
reference?
two
Of Two Girls, Two Girls?
Yeah.
Of course I do, yeah.
Should
I'm
review that.
90s.
Did you review that?
It traumatized all of us.
Can you give us a review of Two Girls, Two Cups in
Oh,
your fancy words?
I looked away in 5 seconds. So it was that disgusting, so I
So
can't
it's
even.
the same review as Nadanya.
Yeah.
Same.
Bro, but I haven't felt that sad in a long time.
After
After
watching that
watching
movie.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I actually was like, what the fuck just happened?
And you know what's insane? When they have the screening and they're like, you killed it. You were so amazing. It was so good.
But tell me, do you go to screenings? क्या
Stop
point है?
going. Stop going.
Point क्या है?
No, I stopped going because one is, I'll tell you one experience where I saw the film and the PR is like, अरे अरे बाहर आओ. And the actor is standing like this. अरे कैसी लगी? And then I was like, yeah, you were good. Any picture कैसी लगी बताओ ना. He's trying to get feedback over there. And then critics are coming and then taking selfies. And then they're clicking the selfie and posting their review. He killed it. He is so amazing. I was like, what's the point? That's one thing, that pandering.
Yeah.
Second is, critics then have their own circle jerk. क्या बकवास पिक्चर थी ना. So you remove the individual experience because you're like, नहीं, ये सब लोग ऐसे सोच रहे हैं तो यही होना चाहिए.
Exactly.
थोड़ा सा वो हो जाता है. But
अरे
I feel
हाँ.
like ये कितना pointless है ना screenings,
Bro.
because once I went to this big film screening, I worked with the director, so he called me. I hated the film, okay? So I am this person who I can't mollycoddle you and say, wow, what a film or whatever. So I have bitched out the film, okay? And then I have gone home. I'm not a critic, doesn't matter. I give my honest opinion. Not to him, to people who are asking
Yeah.
me. that director did not call me for work.
Bro.
And then I got work after 2 years, and then they told me that he was very upset that you. But I said, yeah, I
Bro,
mean,
they call me, आप ना अनमोल अपना एक लाइन दे दो और स्टार बता दो, पोस्टर में डालेंगे आपको. मैंने कहा आप I've seen those posters and I can't
वो जो-
recognize any of them.
वो जो-
जो भी
आधी जगह तो तेरे बाल ले लेंगे उस पोस्टर
बस,
में ऐसे ऐसे
और मैंने कहा फोटो डाल लेते तो थोड़ा और PR होता अपने लिए, but it's the worst, man.
You're
And
saying
the
you're
worst
not a
is-
sellout, basically.
But the worst is directors, producers go on interviews and say that we can buy them and then complain about बहुत negativity फैल रही है. हाँ?
Excuse me.
You're saying you can buy everyone, but you're like यार लोग आजकल
So
क्या बोल
negative.
रहे
वही
हैं.
लोग.
So negative. But my husband wanted to tell me to tell you this, that he really likes your reviews. He's a writer and he's an
He
actor.
was one of the best in the movie that I saw on Netflix.
Maharaj. Oh, you know who he is.
Yeah, of course.
And such a nice
And
feeling. when everyone-
Srishti, she's the only one I probably, other than Vicky, who I complimented for Zara Hatke Zara Bachke.
That's how you guys
That's
connected.
exactly why I.
Because I preferred that romance than the main
इसकी
one.
और विकी की chemistry was ज़्यादा अच्छी than whoever else was in that film. I know you said
No
that.
offense to anyone else.
Anyone.
But this is Jammy's opinion.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
not
yeah.
saying anything.
Yeah, she's not saying anything.
But because of this, I saw Campus Diaries.
And
Oh.
And I think everyone is good in that series.
that
So,
doesn't work for me.
yeah. Your breakup scene was amazing.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah. The way she cries now. And then he goes, Riya.
It reminded
Riya.
She has forgotten her own
what
scene.
your scene only, Ray.
I'm not
The
Riya
most-
in the film.
No,
in the-
No,
Yes.
you mention her name and he
She
gets pissed
remembers.
off.
Riya hai kya yahan pe?
You reminded me of Kareena from Qurban when she cries now, snot comes
Yeah,
out.
yeah.
So it was damn nice.
It was
It's
disgusting,
realistic,
but good
right?
job. Shah Rukh Khan called you to
I should-
appreciate your work.
I should have
have
not
to say,
made that video only.
no, but I have to say AI is really voice morphing is
I think
Damn.
voice morphing. He called me also.
I genuinely thought for a second वही था और मैं गाली देने वाला था. I had but the fact that it was at 11 p.m. I was like ये शाहरुख
ये शाहरुख खान
मुझे तो शाहरुख की call
But
करे.
that's also what Virab said. Tell him that he also feels the same way when somebody out of the blue compliments him. He's like, I love that video.
Yeah.
I haven't seen it. I haven't
Yeah,
seen it,
yeah,
but I
yeah.
love that
It's
video.
funny
No.
how our husbands are fanboying
You.
you.
No, but I'm like a full Nazar kid. So I was like, if I put this out there, this should be for personal stuff. You know, why advertise it? And then suddenly everyone's like, make it.
No, but it's
I
a
just
great
like-
story.
yeah,
I
yeah,
think
yeah.
it
It
gives
was
all
fun.
of us so much.
I
He
hear-
SRK will call us. He called me, but
I heard he was partying and then he was speaking to a younger lot of actors. And those guys then brought me up. And then he said that he saw some of the videos. And then the call happened.
how
How
cool,
nice.
yeah.
If
Nice.
Shah Rukh
But
Khan
I was like so delirious. I was like, God bless you, sir. Sir, love you, sir. Yes, sir.
what did
thank
he say? What did he say?
He said something like, "Oh, great stuff, yeah," and everything. And I don't know why I said, "God bless you," and then he was like, "Yeah, sure. God bless you too." And I was
So
like,
sweet.
so yeah,
So can we get his
Love him.
number?
yeah, sure.
You saved
You
it or
have
you
it all.
deleted
No, I
his
have
You
someone
have.
else's number.
His we don't know.
His I won't have, yeah.
You don't have his.
No,
So when
but
he
I
called
know
you
a friend
from,
who does, who can put us on a conference call. Someone I'll tell you later.
Okay, put
Yeah.
us on a conference
Yeah,
call.
yeah, done.
Okay. वैसे I
I'll say
had
these
got a call
guys
from
are
him.
amazing. They could have been the Jawan crew,
Who?
the
What?
girl crew,
Yeah,
No?
I would like to. be
and
there.
dance behind
Just the
them.
two of us, but nobody else. She
Oh,
can't
shit.
dance.
Only two. What?
listen,
Dance
you
show?
you went to which
They
dance
cut
class?
your Zara Hatke
Which
Zara
dance
Bachke
class you went
number. Huh?
They didn't call me for the
Zara
song
Hatke
also. They had called me and then they didn't call me. They took my date and then they
इससे
didn't
ना
call
हो
me.
पाएगा.
But they
But you, where did you learn dance?
Dance works.
Same.
same.
Yeah.
Really?
But she
Yeah,
really
yeah,
can't
yeah.
dance.
Same.
But
Together?
I
Chance
didn't do a lot of
This-
that.
okay.
No, I did that for a long period of time. But when I was teaching, I was doing. There used to be a big stage in Gurgaon called Kingdom of Dreams. where
Yeah,
they
you
used
did
to do-
Jhumru.
Yeah, so I
I've
used to.
seen it.
So I used to be in Jhumru.
I've seen it.
Yeah.
I must have
then
seen you. I
तो
just didn't
ये
know.
full dancer है.
Yeah.
मैं भी full dancer हूँ. तुम अपनी बात करो. Why you?
How does it feel to be on the other side? You have interviewed people, right?
Yeah.
हाँ, तो
Yeah, easy.
easy.
You guys are easy.
Are you feeling important?
No.
No, we're supposed to make it clear.
No. But I sometimes my immediate question to her was like, do people ask like for things like?
No, not us. They know we can't.
No, not pretty.
Like things as an entourage
Yeah,
and like
no, of like this is the specified drink I want. This is the makeup and hair I want.
they will ask but tried and refused. Nahi ho
You
paya.
can try.
You can try.
No, because there's been a time where in the interview's happening, it's a 1 hour slot, and the actors told me vanity ke liye kar lo, and I was like, okay. Then I gave him the vanity. Ye 25,000 wali ki ho jaye. Then, what? He won't be there, yaar. Please, this is the standard. And I was like, I won't spend 1 lakh just for 1 hour with you. It's like, what? You're saying no? I was like, sorry.
You're also talking about dealing with bigger stars. We don't have that.
Yet.
No. I'm
Yes.
just saying, अगर level वहाँ पर है कि मैं it's not worth it also.
Yeah.
Because they're not going to guarantee that engagement
So then
anyway.
did that happen or no?
No. Didn't do the interview.
You said
Yeah. If a Harsh Beniwal, who's guaranteeing you crazy engagement, is
yeah.
not asking for shit,
yeah.
everybody needs
That's
to
Because
relax.
he came to my this 1 BHK house, which is
Yeah.
like a hole, and he sat in the bedroom with us waiting,
Best,
and he
yeah,
was sweating, and the AC was not working, and he was, I think, very cool.
He is
was
very
amazing.
cool.
Yeah, he is.
Some actors
love
are, most aren't.
That's so sad now.
You know, it's crazy that I was doing the Netflix roundtable and I didn't know. I thought like मैं वो chair में बैठूंगा, wait करूंगा जो भी. And then I came with like a full suit, woot and bag ऐसे. And I was like, where's the set? He's like, Anmol, what are you doing here? And they took me to the vanity and I was like, hey, like why am I getting
Getting
this
a
treatment?
vanity.
And then I'm doing like notes and shit over there. And the director's coming every 30 minutes. Anmol, is everything okay? I was like, huh? And then he's like, भैया coffee, कुछ
हम ना
चाहिए?"
हमेशा ऐसे गरीब ही रह जाएंगे क्योंकि हमें आदत ही नहीं है इज्जत की.
No, it's
मैंने पूछा 2 बार. एक बार.
But आपने
दो
बोला
बार.
no.
But his answer was coming before I asked him only. As soon as I was like, of course, no, I'm fine. I'm like, look at me, I'm
But
good.
his cup is empty. Did we give him coffee?
Yeah, I drank it.
Okay, sure. Na?
Okay, but I want to ask you, you are also a founder of a tech platform.
What the fuck?
Founder of Fioster, a tech platform for premier services to hire bodyguards.
So I have 2 questions.
What? Me?
Yeah, it's
No, dude,
online.
there's another Anmol Jambal who's on LinkedIn and he...
What happened to him suddenly?
Bro, because whenever somebody types Anmol Jambal, it comes, all my tweets come, and then wherever I'm getting trolled comes, and then this guy comes. Bodyguard. So I was just like, what the hell?
तूने फोटो नहीं देखी थी क्या उस अनमोल जामवाल?
नहीं, इसके बारे में लिखा था. It was on an article.
Huh?
Once on a podcast I was invited and they said, welcome, this is, she's an air hostess and she's in, she's worked in Kingfisher Airlines and she's almost 40 and and I was like, that's not me. What?
You're talking
For a
about.
second, after assuming that this is not real, I saw 40 and I was like, what? There's no way. Then,
I'm not 40.
Yeah, no.
How old do you think I am?
Campus Diaries you did, na?
53.
4 years ago?
Yeah.
The average age for casting is 25 to 30. So that range?
Yeah.
Let's just keep it at that.
55.
25.
Yeah, irrespective
Closer
who
to
gives a
25?
shit.
Pudiya.
I'm closer to 25.
All Bollywood shows about high school, they're played by 30-year-olds.
Yeah, always.
That's
Oh,
I was so proud of myself when I got that
Actors
role.
have screen age and real age, no?
Yeah.
I mean,
My screen age is 21. Bro.
I mean, at 60, people are
But
playing.
my screen and my actual age is the same. It's
Same.
25.
Nice.
Just-
So tell me, what do you think it takes to be a good actor? Like, who is a good actor? Except for me, of course. I know.
Yeah, I wrote that question. It was for me, except for me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, see, it's established that you
Srishti,
think I'm a brilliant
In the
actor.
script, all the questions are written by you. So that means I should shut up and sit down or what?
Do you think a good actor can be ruined by a bad director?
Yes. 100%. And the sad bit is that a general audience cannot
Yep.
distinguish between that.
Yeah.
And it's very sad. I can. He can.
That's what I
You
feel.
can.
Unpopular opinion. Many guys who get like excessively trolled, they're just a part of really terribly done
Yeah.
projects also.
Yes.
But I'll tell you, my pet peeve about actors is when I ask them कि आप पिक्चरें देखते हो, वो कहता है नहीं मैं कोई movies नहीं देखता. That is like my
In
biggest
that
pet peeve. हाँ नहीं मेरे पास टाइम ही कहाँ है, मैं movie अरे भाई like
तू
how
actor है यार.
it's crazy
It's
to
like
me.
asking a doctor कि आप सर्जरी कर रहे हो अपने लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं मैं पढ़ता ही नहीं मैंने
मैं भी
साल
तो
लगाई,
पासबुक के
20
साथ
साल मैंने
बैंक
तो
अकाउंट
सीखा था,
खोलता
वो
हूँ।
काटना भाई
नहीं है क्योंकि उनको
काटना।
काक
No, it's bad, yeah. And you're not aware of anything happening, then how
Why
are you
don't they
gonna
have the time?
evolve?
Because they're working.
Bro, कुछ नहीं कर रहे यार, कुछ नहीं कर रहे. Bro, I have seen
Meditate कर रहे
I
हैं.
have seen the most successful actors not be on like a crazy schedule. खाली time
Yeah,
बहुत है.
बहुत होता
और अब पिछले 2-3 साल में तो काफी बढ़ गया है वो खाली टाइम फॉर एवरीवन. Like everyone has खाली
So
time.
tell me, what are the 5 films that an actor should watch right now?
I would say there's a Malayalam film called Ima Yao.
I watched it.
I
You've
have.
seen it?
Yeah.
It's with Lee
It's
Jo-
the funeral wala.
Yes, directed by Lee Jo Jose.
Wait, I need to
Pelisseri.
write. I need to
Lovely.
write. Write, guys, write this down.
It's mad.
There's a Kannada film called Garuda Gamana Vrishabhavana GGBB.
GGBB. Okay.
Crazy story. There's a guy called Raj Shetty in the Kannada industry. Insane talent. I would say Rangasthalam. There's a Telugu film with Ramcharan.
Okay.
You remember all this?
The same director who made Pushpa.
Yeah, yeah.
It's his movie before this. It's insane, the quality difference.
Sorry, what do you think about Pushpa?
Hate it with a passion. And that's why I get trolled. But anyway.
I have.
I love Andhadhun.
What a
Oh,
film.
classic.
And I would say from an acting performance, I would say watch Madari with Irfan.
Madari I've seen.
I haven't.
Madari I've
yeah.
seen.
Interesting.
Nice film.
You'll WhatsApp this to us?
Yes.
I have WhatsApp.
I WhatsApp to every
Your
friend, but no
IMDb
one
list.
watches.
I have seen your IMDb list also.
They're watching what? Pretty Little
Dubai Bling.
Liars and Gossip Girl,
Dubai
and
Bling.
then Dubai
Dubai Bling,
Bling.
Bollywood vibes.
Yeah, Bollywood vibes.
Have you ever got like angry calls from people from
Just
the
one
industry?
time.
Tell us
Wow.
now, tell us now.
You know, the main guys,
Main-
the main top dogs, they don't give a fuck.
They are there because they are.
They couldn't care
Yeah.
less.
Yeah.
But the guys who are still somehow wanting to find a niche now,
Yeah.
they'll be the ones constantly calling.
Yeah.
There's this one person that I interviewed, and so their assumption is that journalist अगर आएगा ना तो वो झोला लेके बुड्ढा सा ऐसे कुत्ता में
बस्ता
आएगा.
लेके.
So sometimes
चश्मे पहनेगा.
so with optics only, the way they look at me, they're like ये influencer
पूछ
type आ गया है. हाँ क्या पूछेगा? हाँ.
लंबे बालों वाला
हाँ.
बॉबी देओल.
तो वो ना ऐसे बैठी हुई थी actress, and she was just getting like whatever, and then the questions got slightly interesting, and she was like, what, how do you know that, and all of that. I was like, you could have given me that respect if I was just like, little more
Didn't just
stereotypical
कुत्ता पहन
image
के
and
जाता
stuff.
तो तेरे को
Did she
अच्छे
give
से-
you her number?
But it's always the
She did.
like the I wouldn't say
middle
tier
belt.
list, but the people who are still like
Middle-
insecure about their position in the industry.
That's a huge list, but
Yeah.
it's a huge
Yeah.
list. But they're in the middle. They're not. But there's a reason they're not reaching the top, and I think major part of that reason is this:
Oh man.
the humility is out the window.
But Kaika, I sometimes interact with some of these roadie splitsvilla types also, and they have attitude. And then I'm like, if you're having,
Excuse, why not? There's split villa.
Split villa, nahi splits villa.
Split villa.
Oh yeah.
and not to like dunk on the medium, but like just be like respectful, do your work, get out.
Yeah.
I don't know why that can't be the bare minimum for most.
Anyway,
But Jamie, honestly, I feel like I feel so happy for you that you've made such a name in the industry, and you're doing good work. And because of that, I want to ask you, who are you dating?
Tried and refused. The theme
I
continues.
told you.
Single?
Nothing has changed.
बोला था
yes.
मैंने ये dating history से ही आया है
Yeah,
नाम.
it's all trauma here.
You're
It all
single?
comes from there. Yes, ma'am.
I'm so sorry, I'm married.
Yeah, fuck.
Doesn't give a fuck. He's like so.
I'll ask.
Please ask
Don't
her.
ask
Let
me.
you know.
I'm also married.
But
But
Don't
she'll
ask
also
me.
let you know. She has to ask her kid and her husband.
but actors are
My kid is-
nauseating to date, man.
Huh?
Yeah?
I mean,
Really?
I feel like
Do you need a vomit bucket or something? I'm feeling nauseous or what?
no, I feel like when you're in a constantly like a comparative society and you're constantly judging yourself also, and then you have another guy who's looking at himself and has like a probably an idea of himself as being really cool and really amazing. I feel like two narcissists together can
Yeah,
be
definitely. तुम्हें फिल्में बनानी है?
nahi.
तुम्हें लगता है कि कभी फ्यूचर में एक टाइम आएगा अगर कल कोई आके तुम्हें बोले कि चलो
I think I
script
can
है,
write. Yes, I have something that's
Oh, you
written
definitely-
and bound.
You also have a good perspective on in your reviews. Also, you can tell that you have a good knack for writing.
But yes, I have written something. But dude, I have also I'm also friends with writers, and their vision and their script has been bastardized so much in the process of what eventually was
Yeah.
made that they are so scarred. I hate that process.
अभी ये स्क्रिप्ट डॉक्टर्स भी जो हैं जिनको लोग रैंडमली स्क्रिप्ट देते हैं फिर वो क्योंकि फीडबैक देना है कोई तुम पे भरोसा कर रहा है कि कुछ तो फीडबैक दो ये मेरा फर्स्ट ड्राफ्ट है
Bro, that's still creative. Like, I know a friend of mine who's a writer who went to pitch to a big producer, and he was like, "क्या कर रहा है?" And she's like, "Sir, ये interesting idea है. नहीं, कुछ देखना जो चल रहा है." And he literally gave him 2 examples of Telugu hits. ऐसा कुछ बना, ऐसा कुछ package कर. You see Jat, okay, with Sunny Deol. There's a Telugu star called Nandamuri Balakrishna. Okay, he's nicknamed Balaya there. He's revered as a god over there.
Balaya.
Huh? It's his movie. They've just replaced the same marketing pitch, everything with Sunny Deol. That's why it's not this massive hit because people are like, we've seen this like every Sakranti or whatever. So it's emulate whatever's working. Nothing.
So,
अभी
new.
स्पोर्ट
People
फिल्म
are
आएगी तो
clearly
स्पोर्ट फिल्म में आएंगी.
not learning from reels because अगर एक रील वायरल होता है doesn't mean आप सेम रील बनाओगे तो वो वायरल होगा
Bang on.
Is there an actor you once wrote off who completely surprised you, like with a career transformation? Like, did they do something right and
oh nice
make a comeback?
Mm,
अभी बस ठीक है ना बस मैं busy थी guys. इसलिए नहीं लिख पाए.
I would say Bobby Deol did. Not that I'm a fan or related. No,
Not a
in
fan?
Love Hostel, if you've seen that movie with Vikrant Massey and Sanya.
I've not seen it.
Insane, like demonic to the point where I genuinely got scared and I didn't think that he could pull off such a thing.
Yeah?
Other than that,
You
I
were
think
mostly
I
right.
mostly rated them bang on from their debut. Who's underrated? Yeah, who's underrated? Of the people, yeah, you guys, yeah, stop.
He's like, "अरे यार, stop it, यार, call me on my show
Of
and
the
all this."
people who are actually getting work.
But do you censor your reviews also?
Oh, so much. But I think I anyway am not penetrating into a mark. Sorry.
We know you're not penetrating.
I know Srishti
You
was
made that-
immediately.
But you made that clear. You walked into it.
I'm not reaching a market.
You can't use words like penetrate because
I'm
then we
not
stop there.
penetrating anyway.
you have to sit down and talk about penetration as soon as you use that
We
word
can't talk about anything else then. Yeah.
Yeah. Because it's not Hindi reviews, na. There's a section that doesn't watch only.
Yeah.
So with that
Just
also,
like a section is not going to watch this episode because it's not Hindi at all.
I guarantee some engagement.
no we'll have Hindi voiceover we'll tell
Oh, dub
Bobby
it
Deol to
over
do
me.
it
By the way, YouTube's about to start that very soon.
तो
It's going to be
your English words will be like तो मैं तो ऐसे ही चाहता था
Yeah,
मुझे
yeah.
लगता है कि बॉबी डियोल
Hindi
बहुत ही
dubbed.
अच्छे
Are you
हॉस्टल
trying to
में
mimic him?
नहीं his voiceover
Thank God,
by
because that was
someone else
She's trying to do the gold mines Hindi dubbed South
Yeah.
Indian movies.
अरे ये तो
तुम जानते हो वो कौन था?
But चलो नेगेटिव बातें होगी but इस decade के positives क्या है? Give us some
The
positives.
decade positives is that actors like Rajkumar and series like Campus Diaries.
didn't think the two would come together in one sentence
It's like everyone's just like,
Rajkumar Raj
"Hey,
Campus Diaries."
please,
People
please.
would think he put something behind that chair. He's like, jaldi bol.
I have sadly only seen in the last 5 years things going back in quality. Because even that time in the 2010s, a Salman would do a Bajrangi or a Sultan.
What a
And-
film. Sultan. I mean, come on.
You just can't see that. Amir Hope, I've heard great things about Sitare Zameen Par.
Sitare Zameen Par,
yeah.
हाँ.
But
Correct.
Shah Rukh will do more routine now. He will-
Because he had this phase also,
tired
na?
now.
He's, yeah.
there's no point
It's
in
okay,
taking
Shah
risks.
Rukh. It's
Yeah, yeah.
fine.
okay you've done your bit Shah
Do
Rukh.
you?
We
Do
love
whatever
you.
you- we
Just
love you.
next time I come to Soho I want to see you and you take me to Manna
Soho's another thing, man.
yeah it's
That
the WTF for South Bombay
Yeah, dude. And I'm
The rich a lot.
I'm in
Dharma
that
ka office
I
is so.
went for
I
this-
only go to Soho thinking I'll meet Shah Rukh Khan over there
I meet multiple directors, okay, there. And there's one director, huge director. He's like, I fucking love your reviews, dude. कल बैठते हैं जैम करेंगे एक साथ.
He's talking like
He
him.
was
huh?
tagawing.
He's talking
He
like
was
him.
Just
smashed
tagawing.
out of his mind.
Tagawing
Next day, he gave me his number, so I called him. He's like, "What? Who? Who the fuck are you, dude?
कौन
What
जेमी
bitch? Jamie? Fuck."
जेमी कौन बे मैं
Immediately,
अपना ब्रेड
I
जेम
went
खा
for
रही
a
सुबह
Halloween party there, okay, and everyone's like dressed to the T, like crazy outfits. And there's this one girl who probably hasn't got any work after this one disaster film, and she's wearing a Mona Lisa painting thing and just like dancing around everywhere. And I was like, she's so happy. That's crazy. Your perception would be like she's just like, waiting for work, and she was just like shimmying her way next to the pool. And I was like, this is
Love
life,
it, love
yeah.
it.
Oh, that hurt.
Okay, before we
That
jump to
We can
the
jump.
games segment,
Let's jump on.
before we jump to it, I just want to offer something to you. You do a really nice
हम ऐसे नहीं
review
करते.
on our podcast, like say it's amazing and all of that, and we'll give you like one dinner with the two of us.
Yeah.
Immediately, I must tell you, compliment, immediate banter, immediately it's infectious to a viewer. And I've seen many influencers try to do this, same format, same sex, and it doesn't work.
They're doing
I
sex.
stopped at sex.
Yeah, me too.
What is the brain? What is the-
Female.
Oh, no, that the audience will stop.
Girl on
Female
girl.
sex, and they will keep
I
going
like
back.
girl on girl.
Who doesn't like girl on girl?
Girl on girl. is
Everyone likes.
G on G.
Even
Yeah.
Two Girls, Two Cups was girl on girl
Yeah.
only,
Yeah.
But you know why we called ourselves Two Girls, Two Cups? क्योंकि हम अपने शो पे भी उतना ही हकते हैं.
That's a good closer.
Two girls play okay.
Two girls are going to play a game, and the game is that since Jammy's an answer and Shishi's not, it's going to be great.
Shah, say it together. Shah, say it
Why don't
together.
you say and get out? say and get out. So we are going to play a game. और game का नाम है एक अगर ये film dance step होती तो.
थोड़ा लंबा नहीं है.
थोड़ा
Game का नाम.
working title है.
लंबा तो होना चाहिए. हमारा पहला film है Animal. Play.
What? अच्छा, oh.
We are going to stare at him or objectify him. Yeah, what is yours?
Oh, fuck it, hata hai, Pritam.
Basically, we didn't want to watch it.
Okay, our next film
Okay.
is Nadania.
Isn't this Dil Chahta Hai?
Saif, no? This comes from Saif, no?
Oh, acha. Oh.
Okay, Nadania, are you ready?
Nadania is what?
Oh, yeah.
Come on. You have to get it, guys.
Okay. Kabir Singh.
Ours is also similar.
This is our step. So, last two films, 50 Shades of Grey. Modest. Rishi Kamal, come on.
Oh, God.
He shut his eyes.
Titanic.
I'm not doing that.
What?
Don't paint me like French girl. Sorry. ये तो शाहरुख खान है.
No, that's...
Titanic is close now.
Jack.
One second, Shruti, who won?
I think the 50 Shades you guys won. The hip rolls just killed it.
Yeah, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Come
won.
on, do one hip roll for us.
Come on.
So,
We
okay,
need a
you
money
guys
shot,
follow?
guys.
You guys
Money
follow?
shot.
Teach us
Edit zoom in.
teach us the hip roll.
Why should only girls get objectified?
Yeah, dance off style.
Forward,
Forward,
right,
right,
back,
back,
left,
left.
forward,
Forward, right,
left,
Forward, back, right,
and
left.
roll. And two.
पागल है.
Two girls and two guys. Two girls and two cups.
Tune in Monday to Friday, sometimes Sunday, and sometimes never.
Keep listening.
Bye.
Ciao.
Sayonara.
Alvida.